Hi guys, it's Nick from NTAC Computer Solutions once again with another video on another amazing add-on. The other video I uploaded for SPECTO was for the fix when their servers were down. This is going to be the actual install for SPECTO without having to use that fix. You can still use the fix for a manual install if you want, or I do believe it's up in Aries as well, but once again I'm old school and I like to put things in manually and go from there. Just find it kind of fun. So in this video, I'm using the Beast build as usual. I will be showing you other videos with other builds in the future. Right now, this is my main build on my main PC. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over to System. There we go. Go down to File Manager. We're going to go Add Source, which it's already on. In here, we're going to put in the web address. So it's going to be http://filmcody.com/repository. Okay, there you go. So go ahead and hit done. Now you can name it whatever you want. I usually just name it SPECTO so I know exactly what it's there for. Hit OK. Away we go. Now that's added to our sources. Now that's in our sources. We're going to go into System. We're going to go up to Add-ons. Install from zip file. We're going to go down and find whatever you named it. As I said, I named mine SPECTO. We're going to go to repository.filmcody.com.zip. There you go. You can see the FilmCody repository add-on has been added. It's Mr. No. I do believe that's the dev. Pretty awesome. Some people are cutting it up saying it's nothing like Genesis, but it looks the exact same and works great in my opinion. There are some other add-ons. It does scrape a lot of add-ons that you can use yourself, but it scrapes all these add-ons and lets you have access to all of those. So while that's going on in the background, we're going to install from repository. There it is right there, filmcody.com repository-Mr. No. We're going to go to video add-ons. And there you go, there's SPECTO fork. So we're going to install it. It appears it is already installed with the launch of the zip. So there we go. So we'll go ahead and launch it. Now if it wasn't, then you could see there that you can just go install and then away you go. So there's a couple awesome things in here. Movies, just like Genesis, like you're used to. So I'll show you here. We'll go into genres, action, and we'll just pick a random movie. Ooh, didn't know that was up. That's pretty cool. Going to see that in a few nights in the big screen. I cannot wait. I'm going to have to check it out afterwards though. Okay. So going to Mad Max. And inside here, you're going to see tons and tons and tons of HD sources, high quality sources as well. So let's go up and just grab a random one. Go with one of the HD ones, Movie TV. And it wants to go for that. Must have been the one that I chose last time I tried and showed you guys this. So we'll start from beginning. Another cool thing with this application is if you don't clear your cache, it remembers where you were. So here we go. That should pop up in a second there. Where that file was dead. Okay, let's try this one. There we go. So up it goes. And there's Charlize Theron, the rest of the girls, the awesome truck, and Mr. Hardy. So now I'll show you TV shows really quickly. Oops. I do believe I pointed this out in one of my other videos, but if you're running if you're running Kodi on your computer, you can hit the / button, which is the one above your enter on your keyboard, and it'll take it out of full screen mode to windowed mode. Alright. So we'll go in genres again for TV shows. So just choose animation. And let's just choose random here. Very Odd Parents, that's an old school one. We'll go in here. Transparents. And once again, it's going to load tons of sources. There we go. Most of them are modern quality and low quality. That's because this is a really old show. Not really old, I mean 90s. Early 2000s. So, and it's pretty good. But there you go. There we go. Also, I'll show you guys another cool trick in a second here, but I wanted to show you something else inside of SPECTO. SPECTO has a channel section as well. So if you go in here, it's basically a bunch of awesome movie channels that are showing these movies. They change all the time. It's updated all the time. Once again, it's going to go get the sources. So let's go into ET. And if you go autoplay, it's just going to randomly choose one of the sources. Wait for it to load. I do apologize for the sniffles there, guys. I'm just getting over a cold. Wait for that to come up. Take another moment here. Alright, let's try another one instead. So we'll go ET and we'll actually choose the source this time. High quality video. Start from beginning. And fast forward a bit. And there you go. There's ET. Okay. So another cool thing that you guys probably already knew too is if you go into your TV shows here, you can right click on the ones that you like and choose Add to Favorites Library. I just chose a random one there. So now we can go into genres when you've gone through the list and added the ones that you like into your favorites. Go into your favorites library and there they are. Do this for most of the applications inside Kodi as well. And one of the other cool things I was going to show you guys while we're in here is something that you probably already know, but some people might not know. So we'll go into the favorites we just set up. We'll launch Teen Wolf. We'll just grab a random episode. So here we go. Oh, if you're using an Android box, you don't have to right click. You can hit the menu button on your remote and then go to Add to Favorites, and that'll add it to your favorites list as well. So we'll just grab a random scrape here, one of the ones. And once it loads, it might take a minute here because it chose one of the high quality ones. Okay, here we go. So if you're finding the volume too loud or too low on your on your video, like I have it up set up way too high right now, go to the volume button over here. See how this is 3 decibels. You can change this up or down. So if we change this down and then go down to set as default for all videos, it will change it. So now when I turn down my volume, it's going to be real-time volume. But say you had your volume up really loud and you could not hear the source at all. You go back up to the top here, volume amplification, change that to 16 or 10 or whatever. Go down here, set as default for all videos. And now, you see I had my TV down on like 2, and it sounds like it did when it was up on 8. See? There we go. Alright guys, just another cool tip for Kodi that I figured I'd share with you. And I'm going to set that back to the normal size that I normally have it at. So, minus 5-ish, or 5-ish, set as default. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. There's tons more to come. And if you did like it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any comments, I try and get to you guys right away, or any questions, try and get to you guys right away. As I said, this is how to install SPECTO without using the add-on fix, which was going to the website and doing the manual install. So this is the repository. It's up and running again, and as you can see, working very well. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Have a great day.